Okay. You see yourself? Who's that? Who's that? That's Fiona, and who's that? Quentin. Quentin wants to play with the string. All right, so can we say hello?
Hi.
Say okay. Can you say hi, Quentin?
Hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. You say hi. 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 Okay, now say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Can you say hi, Grandpa? Hi, Grandma, Grandpa.
Who's
that? Who's that?
Me.
That's you, yes. Where's your nose?
No.
Where's your eyes?
I.
Where's your mama?
Mama.
Yes, I'm your mama. Hello. Okay, so what else do you want to say? You want to say hi? Do you want to talk about the dogs?
Dog.
Yeah, where do you hear the dogs bark? Outside?
Inside.
Outside, you hear the dogs bark sometimes?
No.
No? Not today? Not right now. What about you, Quentin? What do you want to say?
I see.
You say, okay, Quentin, you say buzz, buzz, buzz. Look out, it's a
Bee.
It's a bee. Buzz, buzz, buzz. It's a bee. That's right, Quentin. There you are. Hi. Okay, we're going to turn it off now. What do we say? How do we say goodbye?
Bye.
You say bye. Can you say see you?
Yeah.
See you later. Bye. Turn it off.